Is that recording? I'm not sure.
Hey guys, how you going? I'm at the farm again with my brother, my mate Sam, and my nephew Sebastian. We're installing the PEX piping for our water. We also did the cavity doors today as well. So, what do you reckon about the cavity door? You reckon it's 100%? 30. It's a system that we got from Bunnings. It's pretty easy to install. There was no dramas. There's instructions on the packet there. Yeah, all I've got to do now is just get the cavity doors. So that's about what, 20 mils going in. So you got to make sure it's going in 20 mils. Make sure the pipe is cut as flat as possible, 90 degrees, and make sure it's cleaned. And that will be our piping.
I'm inside the cabin again, and we're gonna focus on the plumbing. I connect the hot water and the cold water plumbing for the kitchen. So that's the hose that we put in place. That's going across here, up into the roof, down into the bathroom. So that's gonna be your hot and cold for the basin. That one there would be for the toilet, and this is also for the showers. So the showers, I'm gonna put two knobs. It's gonna be hot and cold, and then you got the mixer in the middle. It's gonna come out, and then the shower head's gonna be here. I just gotta put a blank capping on all of them, and then test the line, make sure there's no leaks.
So you put the ceiling battens up, yeah? So that's gonna be our ceiling, and they're called rafter brackets, I think. So they've just got two screws in it, screwed onto the house frame, same as that side. The reason why we're doing this ceiling like this is for two reasons. Is for the ventilation, for when you have a shower, all the steam and all the smell from once you do your number twos. So all that smell is going to get ventilated through a ceiling fan up the top there, and that's going to be pushing out all the smells and steam outside from the room, so it doesn't get too foggy. That's the main reason why we did this ceiling. So we're ready to go home, but we've got someone here. So we're supposed to be working, but this guy tends to sleep all the time. So no point in coming next time, mate.
You're right.
Alright, that's it for us. We're gonna head back home and so what are we doing, boys?
Look at all the flooding. But the water's damaged. The water did a lot of damage.
It's pretty flat. You reckon you can swim in here? You right there, Sam? You're gonna be fishing here? I'm gonna be trout, you reckon?
That's where they live.
Yeah. Maybe we come back next time and like we set up there or something. I reckon you can go fishing, you know, along in there, man.
Chuck more in?
Yeah, chuck it in. Yeah, that's what you have to do. See how the water's running? Put it there and have that. I will just swim like that.
You don't need to think of
Oh, you got something? Do you see any fish? What time do they usually come up?
Never.
You catch anything, Sam? You guys catch anything yet?
Yeah, man. I've been here for 10 hours. One little dog.
Getting dark now. Catch anything? Catching a cold?